Hey, I'm Brandon Porter. My #1 tip for new real estate agents is get started in video immediately. That's the way I did it. I actually had the idea of starting a show and sat on it for a year, and that was probably the biggest mistake I made, is not starting right away, getting involved with video and talking about the community that I wanted to sell real estate in. If I need right now business, my main source is going to my sphere and starting to call them, asking them who they know that's looking to buy or sell a home. My main focus on 2020 is blending, utilizing video and focusing on real estate. One thing that I did wrong when I first started was focusing solely on talking about my community, and I was a secret agent. I started changing that last year, and this year my focus is owning the fact that I'm a real estate agent in the video that I do for my community.
Wait! Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.